Today we're going to do Module 6, Lesson 12, and our objective is to use math drawings to compose a rectangle with square tiles. So here's my first problem. It says make an array with 2 rows of 3 by drawing tiles. Remember, an array is basically a rectangle. A tile is just a small square. So I need 2 rows. Remember, rows go across. And in each row, I'm going to place 3 tiles. So I'm going to start by drawing one square. I'm going to do my best to draw it nice and neat. Then I need to do my best to try and keep every square the same size. So here's the beginning of my first row. I need to add 2 more for 3. So here's 2, and then 3. Now I need another row of 3. So I'm going to go underneath. Here's 1, 2, 3. So I have 1, 2 rows, and I have 3 things in each row. If I wanted to write a matching addition sentence, I would write 3 plus 3 equals 6. I'm adding 3 because in each row I have 3, and I added 2 3s because I have 2 rows. Let's try another problem. Here it says make an array with 4 rows of 2 using tiles. My first tile has been drawn for me this time. So this is the beginning of row 1. I need to have 2 in each. There's already 1, so I'm going to add 1 more to make 2. Doing my best to keep it the same size as the tile that's already there. So there's 1 row. Now I'm going to make the second row of 2. So there's 1, 2. Now I'm going to do the third row. There's 1, 2. And the fourth row. 1, 2. So I have 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, 4 rows, and in each row I have 2. If I wanted to write an addition sentence, I would write 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which would equal 2 plus 2 is 4. This 2 plus 2 is 4. And 4 plus 4 equals 8. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 also equals 8. Let's do one more problem together. So here it says make an array with 3 rows of 5 using tiles. The first tile has been drawn. So again, rows going across, I need 3 rows. In each row, I'm going to place 5 things. So here's 1. So I'm going to add to it until I get to 5. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5. Doing my best to keep them all the same size. So there's 1 row. Now I'm going to do my second row of 5. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I need 1 more row of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now I have 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, and in each row I have 5 tiles. My matching addition sentence would be 5 plus 5 plus 5. So if we add this up, 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. So I have a total of 15 tiles in 3 rows of 5. You're going to try this one on your own. So you're going to draw an array with 5 rows of 2. When you finish, it should look like a rectangle with 5 rows of 2. Please write a matching addition sentence to match your triangle or rectangle. When you have finished this, you're done with today's lesson.